Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've not been here before, hi, I'm Maggie, and today we're going to kick off my month 2 of deep cleaning and decluttering in my house. So I will link my first month, which was the bedrooms, up in the cards and down below for you. What I'm basically doing this year is each month I've assigned some sort of area of my home. So I've split my home into 6 sections or like zones so that I can go through my whole house twice through, every 6 months. And I'm using that month really to assign one area to, purge, declutter, deep clean, reorganize, just like do the whole thing. For me, it's a fun task, but it can be really overwhelming. So I'm finding success in giving myself a whole month to kind of just pick away at the different chores. So February, we're going to be working in the bathrooms. So we have one full bath here in this room that we're going to start in. There's also, I guess you would call it a full bath in the guest room, and then a half bath downstairs. So all 3 are going to be worked on this month. Today, I think I'm going to start just with the main master bathroom, I guess you could call it. I have a lot of bottles and things that I want to refill to hopefully get maybe some of my backstash taken care of. So I thought that's where we would start. Today is February 11th. It's Thursday. So that's when I'm going to start because I just want to see how much I can get out of my closet that I have in there. Because if I don't have it in there, then I don't have to reorganize it, right? So that's where we're going to start. Let's go ahead into the bathroom, shall we? Okay, welcome to my bathroom. I have one thing already here. We're going to be filling up the soap containers. We just use this bulk soap to replenish. I already did the container downstairs and I'm almost done with this one. So I want to try to finish that up and then I can crack into this one, but that means that this one can leave, which is great. So we're going to do that. We're also going to do my shampoo, conditioner, and some lotion. So let's just get you set up on the counter and we'll work on that. Friends, we are back in the bathroom, so if it's a little echoey, that's why. We are going to work on the closet here behind me. So this is where we keep our towels, our extra body care products. It's just that storage space. So I plan to pull everything out. I have some bins in there for organization. I'd like to kind of review how that's looking. I have more here. These are different sizes from Dollar Tree and Dollar General. So I just kind of want to see what's going to fit best. I think the first thing I'll do is take everything out so that we can wipe all down the shelves and things like that, and then we'll reorganize and put things back in. Okay, so here's what it looks like. At the very top up there, we've got toilet paper. This next row, I've got towels and then sunscreen, Kleenexes, summer stuff, I guess. Moving down, I've got our different, like I said, shampoo, lotion, toothpaste, stuff like that. Down here, the next one is more of medical / random. And then at the bottom, we have 2 scales. We can actually get rid of that black one. It doesn't work, but we've got our glass one there that we just kind of slide in and out as needed. But this is what we are working with. So I'm going to start by just pulling everything out and wiping down the shelves here so they're clean, so that when I organize and put things back, it'll be fresh. Okay, so I got all of the shelves here cleaned out and put all of that junk on the floor. You guys, oh my goodness. And now you understand when I say I'm on a low buy / no buy, because I look at all this stuff I already have backups for. Jeez. Next up, I'm going to grab my cleaner, wipe down all of these shelves so that's fresh, and then we're going onto the floor to figure this out and see if I can use any of the new bins I got in a better way to organize this and just see what we have, because there's a lot down there. So let's get it. Okay, so as I look through this, something that I recently did was my medicine box here. So this has all of our, over-the-counter medicine type things. And normally I would take this time to do an inventory, but I repurchased a bunch of meds. I think it was in January, must have been. So I know that this is all stock. So this is pretty decently organized. It's not perfect, but it all fits in this bin though. So I'm just gonna put this back into the closet as is. I don't really want to mess with this too much because I know what's in there and I know it's all fresh. Okay, so I found this like Band-Aid container thing. And so I'm gonna put these boxes of Band-Aids all in there so it's together. And then we don't have to have extra boxes, floating around in there. Okay, there's this like insert thing that I'm going to take out so I can fit these in how I want and in a better manner. Okay, so we've got this bigger Band-Aid kit, and then I do have this smaller one. You can get one of these at Walgreens, I believe is where I got it. And I've just kind of refilled this with some things. We like to take this like little one and keep it on the boat in the summer, but it's winter, so we have our boat stored. But I'm going to keep this bigger one and then this one next to it, knowing that this little one kind of is on our to-go little first aid kit there. But I was able to clear out these two boxes, which means I don't have to organize with these anymore. So those are going to be recycling along with this insert doodad. Okay, so I think I've got this bin. I've got that Band-Aid, our ear swabs. There's some moleskin here for like feet blisters, a little one. So I'm gonna put this back in the closet. Okay, I still have a lot of stuff to go, but something that's jumping out at me is all of this sunscreen and bug spray. So I think I'm going to grab one of my bins that I got from the Dollar Tree and put all of those together, because I just kind of have bottles everywhere and I'd like them to be a little bit more contained. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. So I've got our spray sunscreen, some bottles of regular like lotion sunscreen, aloe vera, bug spray, and then we've got two of these like calamine, bug bite itch stuff. So that should be better. Now I just gotta figure out where I want to put that in our closet. So this is where I settled. I'm sure this will update again at some point, but up at the top I've got my gel nail kit because I don't use that very often. I've got a little bin of extra washcloths that truly are spare and not reached for very often. And I've also got 2 Kleenex boxes. The next row, or shelf I should say, has this you know, sunscreen, bug spray bin. I've got this one that's kind of like random stuff. It's got soap, minis. This is the shaving container, so it's got all the blades and handles and stuff. This one has all of our extra like tooth supplies plus earplugs because I don't know, they fit there. Here is extra deodorant for my boyfriend. He really stocked up. And then I've got mouthwash on the side. The next shelf here I would say is the most like reached for. So in this bin I have all of my like bath stuff, like shower scrubs and extra stuff like that. Here I've got shampoo, conditioners, hair masks, just hair stuff. And then over here I've got a row of lotions, shaving cream, and then like body powder. Then down here I've got the medicine bin, and then my first aid bin. And in the back I've got like hydrogen peroxide and rubbing alcohol. Also got our stack of towels, and then at the bottom we've got our scale and extra toilet paper. So this I'm hoping stays decently clean. I mean, you never know, but it's better than it was, and I'm happy I got to kind of rearrange. I did come out with different bins available. I didn't use them all, so that'll be good to use for the other bathrooms. And I also have yet to tackle under here. I don't think there's much under there, but I'll just need to check. So that is enough for me today. I'm going to take all this recycling and trash that I was able to find out, and I'm just going to keep plugging away at the bathrooms when I feel the energy and the time to.